How to meal prep like a pro. As the morning dawns with the world stirring to life and the light spreading across the earth, we are presented with a choice. This choice, though seemingly simple, holds within it the power to shape our bodies, minds, and spirits. It is the choice of what we eat, of how we nourish ourselves. And in this daily ritual lies the secret to mastering not just the art of sustenance, but the art of life itself. To meal prep like a pro is not merely to prepare food in advance, it is to enter into a sacred covenant with oneself. It is to take the raw ingredients of the earth, full of potential and vitality, and transform them into meals that are not just sustenance, but a testament to our care, our discipline, and our desire to thrive. The craft of planning, the first step in the journey. Planning is the foundation upon which the temple of meal prep is built. It is in planning that we lay out our intentions, that we decide not just what we will eat, but how we will feel, how we will live. As the philosopher Seneca once said, to be everywhere is to be nowhere. In other words, to succeed in anything, we must focus our energies. We must direct our efforts with intention and clarity. When planning your meals, consider the balance of nutrients, the variety of flavors, and the colors that will fill your plate. Let each meal be a symphony of taste, each ingredient playing its part in creating harmony within your body. Begin by selecting recipes that resonate with you, that speak to your soul and your goals. Choose those that are simple yet satisfying, nourishing yet easy to prepare. Think of meals that incorporate lean proteins, whole grains, and a rainbow of vegetables. The importance of ingredients, fuel for the body, nourishment for the soul. The quality of what we put into our bodies reflects the quality of our lives. To meal prep like a pro is to recognize the inherent power within each ingredient, to understand that flexible. If your week includes social events, business lunches, or dinners with friends, plan your meal prep around these occasions. There's no need to prepare 7 days worth of lunches if you know you will be dining out several times. Instead, focus on the days when you will be at home or at work, when having a prepared meal will make the most difference. In considering your social calendar, you are acknowledging the reality of your life, creating a plan that supports not just your health but your happiness and fulfillment as well. The philosopher Aristotle taught that balance is the key to a good life, and in balancing your meal prep with your social commitments, you are practicing this ancient wisdom. Avoid foods that are less suitable for meal preparation. Choose wisely. Not all foods are created equal when it comes to meal prep. Some ingredients, while delicious and nutritious, are less suitable for preparing in advance. Understanding which foods to avoid in your meal prep is as important as knowing which ones to include. Leafy greens, for example, can wilt and lose their texture when stored for too long, becoming limp and unappetizing. Similarly, foods with high moisture content, such as cucumbers or tomatoes, can become soggy and unappealing after a few days. Fried foods, while tempting, do not reheat well, often becoming greasy and heavy instead of crisp and satisfying. Instead, focus on ingredients that maintain their quality when stored. Roasted vegetables, grains like quinoa or brown rice, and proteins such as chicken or tofu are excellent choices for meal prep, retaining their flavor and texture even after a few days. Soups and stews are also ideal, often improving in flavor as they sit. By avoiding foods that are less suitable for meal preparation, you are setting yourself up for success, ensuring that each meal you prepare is as delicious and satisfying as the day it was made. This is not just about convenience, it is about honoring the time and effort you have invested in your health. Conclusion: the path to mastery. To meal prep like a pro is to master the art of nourishment, to take control of what you eat, and to create a life that is both healthy and fulfilling. It is a journey that requires discipline, mindfulness, and a deep connection to the food you eat, but it is a journey worth taking, for it is through this journey that we can achieve true health, happiness, and fulfillment. As you embark on your meal prep journey, remember the words of the philosopher Seneca. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Do not waste the time you have been given. Use it to nourish your body, to care for your health, and to create a life that is full of energy, vitality, and joy. This is the path to mastery, the way to meal prep like a pro. Follow it and you will find that the rewards are greater than you could have ever imagined. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.